The third and final part of the course is going to be all about testing in Symfony. And so again, we're going to show some testing principles. We're going to use different kinds of tests. We're going to use application and unit tests to test a fairly realistic kind of project or feature. And so one of the interesting things about Symfony, and one of the differences between Symfony and Laravel, is that in Symfony we don't have the facades. And so where we've had those helpers with the facades in Laravel, that kind of stuff, we need to put a little bit more thought into it, and we need to figure out more how to do things ourselves by using dependency injection, and also how to configure the container for testing. So whilst we'll lose a bit of convenience here and those kind of things, we're going to learn some valuable skills which you'll be able to use throughout your career. So this first video here from that section is going to be just introduce the project to what we're going to test and have a little talk about how we're going to do things. Okay, so let's have a quick whiz through what we're going to actually build and what we're actually going to test here. So again, not going to build out some massive application. What we're going to do is just have a feature from maybe some kind of project, and that will be to submit a job application with a CV. So it's like an admin page where you receive a CV from an applicant, just going to enter their name, email address, and upload the CV. And then we're going to test quite a few things. So we're going to obviously validate this form. So that will need to be tested. We're going to store records in the database. That will need to be tested. We're going to test that a CV is uploaded and moved to the right location. So a little bit extra to what we did previously. We're going to actually test against file uploads and some of the complications that come with that. Again, we're going to fire off an email, so a confirmation email to the applicant to say that their CV has been received. And then we're going to make a HTTP request to some kind of HR API, which will submit these details, and so HR can take it from there. So with all of those things in place, this what looks like a small, simple feature will actually require quite a lot of testing. So we're going to combine feature tests with unit tests, and we're going to use as many of Symfony's testing helpers and things like that that I can show you, which you will find useful and which you'll be able to use in your day-to-day work. So let's have a quick demo of this. So I'm just going to fill this in. Okay, so first name, last name, email address. I've chosen a PDF file. Going to submit this. And then behind the scenes, so it said the application has been submitted. Behind the scenes, what happened there was it validated the form. It checked that application, the CV, was in an acceptable format. It then created a record in the database. It stored the CV somewhere. So in real life, you might use something like Amazon S3. Then what it's done, it's fired off an email to the applicant, and it's notified HR of a new application. So you'll get to see all those things in testing and development, but for the time being I'll show you a couple of things here. So as you can see in the database, that has been saved. For storage, what we're doing is for testing purposes and just for educational purposes, we're just going to store the file locally. So you should see that that has actually been stored here in a location called uploads, but like I say, in real life you'd probably send it off to like Amazon S3 storage, something like that, or some other storage location. But that's what we're going to create. And so in the next one, what we'll do, we'll just take baby steps, create the first form, create the routing, and just prove that we can show the form first, and maybe also test that that form contains the correct fields.